Hey, my mini peeps! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey! My name is Tanya, aka Money and Nails, and today we have some happy mail to open. So let's go. The first package we are going to start with is from Hot Mess Budgets over on Etsy. Now, I saw these envelopes on her page, and she had the black background, and then she had the clear like zip pouches. And I thought, you know, I don't have any envelopes that are white or have a white background. I think all my envelopes are all like colored. So I had reached out to her and asked if she could do the same design, but place it on a white cream background. So let's see what we have here. I love this glitter wrapping. So inside we have a cute business card. It's laminated. Love that. She gave me a expense or money cash breakdown slip, laminated. Love the lamination because then you can reuse it. And she also gave me some budget sheets. I can always use more budget sheets. Appreciate that. Now, here are the envelopes. Let's just get some of this stuff out of the way first. All right, leopard print. So cute. Totally different from anything that I have. My categories: gas, groceries, eating out, miscellaneous, and snacks. Love this design. I just might have to get some of the other colors that she had. Like I said, she had the black background with the leopard print on it, and also the clear pouches with the leopard print on it. So stinking cute and adorable and totally different than anything that I have. So you nailed it, girl. Love it. The next package I have is from ButgetWithCarly, and this is also off of Etsy. And of course, I was scrolling one day because you know Etsy is my jam. And I came across this cute little pattern of envelopes. So she sent a cute little thank you card and all this little cute little heart paper clip. Love that. I will be reusing this. And love the little card with the discount on it, so I won't be flashing that. So here are the envelopes. So it's a cute little heart design in the letters, and this color is burgundy, which is a color that I do not have. So super cute. Let's look at all of them. Same categories: gas, groceries, eat out, miscellaneous, and snacks. And being that Valentine is coming up soon, these are the perfect set of envelopes for that. So thank you, Carly. All right, guys, it is time for a question of the day. This is time where we have some interaction. I will ask you a question and you'll run down to the comments and answer it. So the question for this video: if you are going to eat out right now, where are you going and what are you getting? I can tell you right now, I did not eat prior to filming this video, and all I can think about right now is some fried rice. That could be either from Panda Express, or there's this teriyaki place that Pedro always goes to. And that's what I'm thinking about right now, is some fried rice. So tell me down in the comments, where's your go-to for eating out and what are you getting? Okay, this next package is from D Glamorous Life on Etsy. Now, I seen Rochelle Adams on a budget on Instagram. She had these envelopes, not this one right here, but the same kind of concept idea. And every time I see her post a reel, I'm always like, oh, I want to get those envelopes. I want to get those envelopes. So one day as I was scrolling, of course, I saw this shop and I saw these envelopes and I'm like, I'm going to get them. I'm going to get them. They're completely different than anything that I have. So we don't need that because it has some information on there. Okay, so of course they come with a cute thank you card. Very appreciative. It has all her social media on here to go and follow her. Y'all, I'm so excited for these envelopes. Okay, so she has dream, create, share, and inspire. The Glamorous Life. So let's go ahead and remove this band. I don't want to rip it because I want to put this somewhere. So what we have here is she included this with my order. Thank you, girl. It is adorable. Look at these colors. It says a birthday queen and it is a $500 birthday fund. And on the back, they have the envelope so that you can track it. It says each envelope equals $10. So I'm going to include this in my birthday envelope that I have. Y'all, I can't get over this design. Like all the colors, it is just screaming. So here are the envelopes that I totally adore. All right, so this is the first envelope and this one is snacks. And it says, you never fail until you stop trying. Okay. Next up is my miscellaneous envelope and it says, be the one who decided to go for it. This envelope reminds me of my sister. And that is what caught my eye. Next up is, if you can dream it, you can do it. And this is the eating out envelope. Don't look back. You aren't going that way for real. And this is the grocery one. We do not want to go back. And the last one is prove them wrong. And this is my gas envelope. So let me tell you like a little story. So when I was looking through all these envelopes, each person kind of reminded me of someone in my family. And this picture right here reminds me of my cousin to my mom. When I was little, you know, she had this long black hair and she always had her hair rolled in rollers. Now, not the typical rollers. She would use, you know, the cardboard that the toilet paper is in, you know, once it was all done, she will use that to wrap her hair in. So every time I saw her, she had these big old rolls in her head, and then, you know, she would take them out and then she had this long wavy flowy hair. So that reminded me of my cousin. So my sister, my cousin, like every picture just reminded me of something. Now on her website, she offers, you can have an African American set or you can have the multicultural. And so I chose a multicultural because this family is a melting pot. Okay, we got everybody up in here. So I picked something that represented us. But y'all, these envelopes are fire. And these motivation quotes on each one, nailed it. Totally adorable. Love these. Okay, the next item that I want to share with you guys is from Eyewear. Now, I saw like a gazillion ads for this over on TikTok, but I needed a new pair of glasses and I wanted something fun because you get one pair of glasses and that's it, you're stuck. You know, that same look, that same design, unless you want to go out and spend big money on prescription eyewear, and I was not about to do that. So full disclosure, I had LASIK done a few years ago, but I had really bad eyesight like before that. And so my procedure, I chose to be able to see far away. And then I would need some type of corrective lens for seeing like the small print on paper and then always staring at a computer. So I decided to get a pair of glasses, computer glasses is what I call them. And the frame that I got is called Ella, the Ella. And it's just a clear frame. I will insert a picture of what they look like on my face. But here's the fun part. The reason why I love these eyeglasses, because you can change up your look. You are not stuck with one pair of glasses, one type of look. You can now get customized frames, and they are magnetic. Right in the corner, they each have like a little magnetic square, and they attach right to the frame. So I picked, this one is multi-grain, and I picked this one because it kind of, like my hair color kind of goes with it. Then the next frame that I got, you see, this is how strong this magnet is on it. This one is silver glitter. And then the last one I got was black glitter. So they attach really simple and easy. You just grab the frame, and just like that. Grab the second pair. The third one. Whoops. So look, there's 3 different covers on these glasses right now, and they stick on perfectly. No issues at all. I use these at work. I change every day. It's like, let's see. We did multi-grain yesterday, so let's do silver glitter tomorrow. On their website, they have a ton of covers. Now, I thought before logging into this that, oh, there's just going to be a few. No, they have a ton on there. And they have different themes. They have like Valentine's Day. They have Christmas theme. They have Harry Potter. They also have like NFL teams, NBA teams, anything that you can think of, type frames on there. So if you're looking for some fun eyewear, I would definitely check out Pair Eyewear. I will put the link down in my description because they also have a referral program right now. So if you spend over $60, you will get $25 off your purchase. And then I will also get $25 to use towards more frames. Okay, guys, that is all my Happy Mail and items that I have received recently. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure to like this girl's video and hit that bell so you're notified when my video goes live. And until next time, guys, see ya.